What's up, you guys? Finally have a face on today, and so I felt like it was the perfect opportunity for me to film a video, especially because a package was just delivered that I've been waiting for like 2 months. So I'm very excited to open it and to share it. We are getting so close to Halloween. Hocus Pocus comes out on Friday. Today is Tuesday when I'm filming this, so we're almost there, and I still have so much to do, so many decorations to put up. But with me, it's like until the day of Halloween, I am still adding stuff in. But really excited to share some of these pieces with you. I've been holding on to them for the past couple weeks, so let's get started. So this is the one that just came in today. These are all the same theme, you'll see. But this is from the brand Shop Merch Ventures, which does a lot of like Loungefly and like Funko Pop, like pop culture merchandise. They have this like exclusive John Waters Funko Pop that I really want. I'm not even like a Funko Pop person, but I just think that one's so cute. Oh my god, I can't open it. I needed scissors. Okay, so okay, there we go. All right, so one thing that I love about this company is that they include popcorn with every order. These are the little Deanin bags that they sell for fundraisers at school, and they always include the vanilla one that's like the different colors, and it just makes me so happy. Again, I've been waiting for weeks for this bad boy. So here it is in all its glory. So excited! I will say, normally when I get a Loungefly backpack, I always get the matching wallet just because I'm a diva and like I want it all to be cohesive. But I was already getting like one wallet that fit multiple bags, so I just figured I would just keep to the one. But if I can ever get it out. Look at it, it's so cute! It's so cute! So this is the Binx front pocket. I think that's what it's called. It was like the Binx pocket mini backpack. And so you have a furry Binx in the front that's holding the black flame candle, and then above him you have a scene that has the sister's house with the smoke coming out, and then you can see silhouette of them flying there across the moon as well. And it is so stinking cute. So this front pouch is a pocket, of course. That's pretty roomy. You could definitely fit your phone in there. And then it's like a faux, a matte black faux leather. And then there is the inside, and the linings on the Loungefly bags are always the cutest, so I'll show that as well. You can see Binx, and there's like an eye and a cauldron and potion and star and stuff. So there's that. So that is the lining there, and then it just has 2 zips here, which I always like because I tend to leave my backpacks open, so you can just like zip it up into the center. And then on the back there is a cauldron that says it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. So there's that one. It is so cute. And here's the next one. Didn't love that lighting, so hopefully this one's a little bit better. But the second part to that one, and again, this one is from Merch Ventures as well. So this is the Hocus Pocus Binx holding candle crossbody bag. Well, his ear is a little floppy, but it's basically the same design as this front pocket, but just as a larger little crossbody. And so you have a big head, and his ear is so floppy, and then him again holding the black flame candle. Does have the same lining with spellbook and him, and then it comes with a crossbody strap as well, or you can hold it like that. And I just thought it was cute. I mean, when I saw it in the pictures on the website, I was like, I don't really need this, but I couldn't decide just because I don't really have too many like handbags, and so I thought this would be a fun addition. But I got to figure out how to get him to be a little stiffer. So I wish they had put something back there to like support his head a bit more since it flops down, but cute. And then of course had to get matching wallet. Oh, they did also add in little candies, those soft melt peppermints, which are like the best. So we got that. And then of course here's the matching wallet, which is just Binx head, and again it's furry, so a fun texture. The inside has the ID slot. I love this because it has that hole so you can use your finger to slide the ID out. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 credit card slots, and you've got a little pouch here. And then, is that it? Yeah, so it doesn't hold too much in there. And then on the back you have the same house and then sister standing there. But they're cute. So I got that set. And we're not done. Of course we're not. And then Loungefly also released this one that I was like, I wanted the wallet. And so I already knew I was going to buy the wallet. But I can't get the wallet and not get the bag too. And I had to because it's sold out. I don't know if it's sold out. That might be a lie. It might still be in stock. You might still be able to get this. I didn't need it, but I wanted it. So here is the Billy Butcherson cosplay backpack. And it is so cute. He's a good zombie. I swear he's a good zombie. Yeah, it's a Loungefly Disney Hocus Pocus Billy Butcherson cosplay mini backpack. My favorite feature about it is that it has this little lace cravat here in the front, and it's actual lace. It's so cute. What I don't like about this, and I just got my mom a Coco backpack as well that has like the mouth as a pocket, and it is so hard to open, and also like you're never going to be able to get into that. So I just don't understand why that's there. It just, to me, it doesn't really, it's not a good design function there, but I like it. It's really cute. So you have these little rivets there, the lace, and then the embroidery, and like this is inset as well. And then you have just the embossing for his hair, and then the wrinkles on the forehead and everything. It's so cute. And then the back is his tombstone, and the lining on this is just a bunch of tombstones, like cream tombstones on this mint background. So there is the bag, and of course the matching wallet, which is his headstone. So here lies the body of William Butcherson. One thing I don't love about this wallet is that, as you can see, like it extends past the edge of the wallet a bit more, and then it's like not sewn down. Like I can stick my fingers in there, and I just like, I don't know if you're supposed to be able to hold it like this when you're walking, or I don't understand. That part is like strange to me. But and then in the back you have Billy's head. Focus. And the inside, just like the Binx wallet, you have the pouch, the credit card slot with the slider, and then the 4 card slots with another little pocket here. So that's the Billy set. And last but not least, and I couldn't help myself, I've already been using this bag for a couple weeks now. But this one I also got off Merch Ventures. So the Billy I got from the actual Loungefly website, but this piece I got from Merch Ventures, and it is a backpack and crossbody bag. It is Emily Binx's tombstone. So it is massive. Like, look at this, compared to the size of my head, it's really tall. I'd say it's about 13 inches tall. And it says, "Here lies the body of Emily Binx, beloved daughter." So that's that. And then this one actually glows in the dark. So the pattern here on the front is embroidered, as well as the face on the angel, and then the text is embossed, but all of the embroidered pieces glow in the dark, and so that is so cool. And then it also has a little fuzzy Binx keychain on it, and I have my Bat hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works hanging from it as well. This one, so the straps here are a chain, a long silver chain. So you can do it as a crossbody, or it did also come with a separate set of straps that you can hook in the back to wear it as a backpack. I've been wearing it as a crossbody, but it is like so heavy, and so definitely needing to wear it as a backpack. One thing I will say about this design is because it is the curved shape of the, sorry, I'm like hitting the microphone, the curved shape of the headstone, the zipper does get caught in these little dips here, and so it's kind of frustrating to use, frustrating to open. You kind of have to mess with it a little bit. It didn't come with a matching wallet, but they did have this card holder available from, I think it was from last season. So I got that, and it's the same design from here, the same black flame candle, but it's larger, so you can see it up close. It has the glittery black flame there, and then the embossed design. It says 31 at the bottom, and then this one has a zip here. The lining has, look, I have money in there actually, has witch's brooms and the vacuum, Binx, and then it has, again, the 4 card slots here. So I just got this to go with that, and I like it because it's small enough that I can just throw in any size purse, so it definitely fits with all of the others. And then it's also just cute, so got that. And then inside my Emily bag, I also use from last year's collection the Sarah pouch, which you can get for like $8 right now, and I'm mad because I bought the whole set last year for like $110 for the backpack, the wallet, and this, and you can get it all now probably for like under $70. I know this one is on sale on the Loungefly website. I want to say it's like $8. And then this one is cute, so it's like the front of her dress, and on the back it says "Boys will love me," and this I just keep like medicines and tampons and things inside of it. So that is my Hocus Pocus purse haul for this year, and I still have the Winnie backpack from last year, so I've got a ton of Hocus Pocus bags at this point. I need to find more ways to hang them up on my wall. It's going to be very cluttered in there now, but I'm excited. Again, Halloween is so close, I can taste it, and Hocus Pocus 2 coming out on Friday. Very, very excited for that. We're going to have a watch party, so really looking forward to that. And I hope you guys enjoy this haul. I believe you can still get all these pieces at Shop Merch Ventures. I'm not sure about the Billy bag, but I will link it down below if it is still available. But I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you are enjoying your Halloween season, and we'll see you in the next one.